Ready to find winning products on Amazon? Let me show you how to master the AMZScout Pro AI extension. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to work together to conquer Amazon. Let's dive in. So step number one is to download the Chrome extension for free. It's right in the description, and you're gonna see that it's gonna take you to this link, and it has a try it now for free button. So you can just click on this, and then you can download it to try the extension for free. Step number two, before we actually use the Chrome extension, is to just come up with some ideas of products that you could potentially launch. So that could be crochet kits. I was looking on Facebook and I saw an awesome ad of crochet kits, right? What are you looking on? What interests you? Do you have a specialty? Are you a plumber? Maybe you can sell plumber tools, right? So write out areas that interest you, hobbies. Do you play soccer? Are there special soccer training devices? And then kind of start looking into those. So right now on the top of my head, I saw an awesome crochet kit, and I think it's a perfect opportunity for the holiday season to create your own crochet kit, and it's a DIY item. So step number three is to actually look it up on Amazon, and we type in crochet kit right here, and then we simply, with the Chrome extension, we can click run analysis, and we're gonna click that button, and then it's going to show us the monthly revenue, the monthly sales, the average BSR, price, average rating, and a lot of other information as well. And one thing that stands out right here is we can see that the monthly revenue is pretty darn high, $4 million, and this is just right now page number one. And you can see the page sales, but the only thing that's not standing out right here that we could see is under 100 reviews. So all of the competitors that are selling crochet kit, if you type in this keyword, all of them have over 100 reviews. So that means that this product area might be a little bit too competitive, because we can see, okay, what if we wanted to launch our own product, our own crochet kit? Well, none of them have under 100 reviews on the first page. So we're gonna be competing with people who have 3,000, 2,000 reviews, 1,919 reviews. So this might be a little bit competitive. So step number four that we're going to use is we're going to open up the AMZScout Pro extension, and they have this awesome tool called the product ideas, and they'll give you a random product idea. So if you're like, look, I'm not good at figuring out products, or you found, crochet kits and you're like, oh, it's too competitive, right? They have too many reviews. You can just go into here and get a random product idea and just keep going through until you find somebody that has, here, this one, for example, is a windshield sunshade for women. And you can kind of go through here, and we're just going to go through this a couple of times until we find a potential product to sell. So it came up with this idea that's girls night 18 plus party game. So we're going to run the analysis on this and check this out. And what I see already is another high monthly revenue. But the crazy part is if we're looking, we can see that this product only has 50 reviews and it already has 200 sales. This one only has 34 reviews and it has 1,000 sales. So the AMZScout extension kind of showed us if we wanted to sell a party game for girls above 18, very specific niche. It shows us a very specific niche where we could potentially sell a product and potentially dominate. Another one, only 31 reviews, over 100 sold. Only 65 reviews, over 400 sold. So this could be a really good market where there's not that many competitors. If you did enter the market, it looks like you're almost, if the product's solid, you're almost guaranteed to make money. So the next step is to look at the best keywords, so we can just see what this niche is all about, and then kind of understand, hey, this is the niche that we want to sell in. So this is a game night party game. So it's a party game night game, or a party night game for girls. And then we can see what other cards, most of them are card games, adults. So now we can kind of really identify the niche by looking at the best keywords. And you can see what some of the bachelorette, you know, for bachelorette parties, what are they trying to rank for? What are the competitors' top keywords? So we can understand the product better if we want to dive deeper, right? So do we want to make a party game for adult girls? That's pretty much adult woman, but the keyword right here is girls, for adult girls. That's pretty much the game. That's the niche. It's very specific. And we're going to dive deeper into this because it looks like there's a lot of opportunity. So number 6 is we're actually going to start using the Chrome extension, and we can see right here in the bottom left corner of the screen, it says that the niche is good. It gives it an 8 out of 10. So this could potentially be a good product. AMZScout says it's a good product. We're going to open it more, and then what we're going to do is, my favorite thing is doing private label. So making your own adult woman's card game, and we're going to filter it with the best rank, and we can see a few 8s here. So score for product label, and we can see these are really high scores for product label. And this one's for reselling, but I don't like reselling. I want to do private label. So we're going to click on this product, and this product is going to lead us right to here. And then we can dive deeper into this product and run an analysis as well. And we can see that they're making $13,000 a month. Anything above $10,000 a month is pretty good, especially if they have less than 100 reviews. So they only have 65 reviews. AMZScout is ranking them 8 out of 10, which is pretty darn good. So what we're gonna wanna do is actually buy this product and see, okay, what is the product? What's the quality like? How do they wrap it? How do you use the product? So you can get reference on how your product should look, how your product should feel, how the game should be played. And then also look at the negative reviews. So maybe if you are launching the product, you want to see, okay, what are the negative reviews, but caters to a very specific crowd. We do want to be specific in this niche. And number 7, before we say, okay, this is the product, let's dive deeper into this and purchase it, we want to open up AMZScout again. So if we open up AMZScout again, we see more data, how much it weighs and all this stuff. But most importantly, we can click on it, and there's an AI product boost button. So this one is going to actually look at all the data, all of the negative reviews, the entire listing, and give you some product improvement tips. And this is going to be important once you order the product. What is AI saying? What could you do to enhance your product? What are the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats? The SWOT of the product. So you can kind of go through this as well. Limited reviews with only 65 reviews. There may be less social proof affecting new buyer confidence, right? So you can kind of see where this product needs to improve. And this is going to help you decide, okay, let's definitely move forward with this type of product, or let's hold off. Once you're ready to move forward, you can actually click find a supplier and start looking for a supplier right away. It's going to do a reverse image search on Alibaba, and you can see some suppliers here for $2.70. We can actually go back and we can do a profit calculator. Let's see if this will work. So you can simply click on profit calculator and triple check. So we had those pricing around $2.70. I'm just gonna round it up a little bit to like $5 per unit. And even at a price of $5 per unit, it knows the product weight, it knows the product size, and it can actually tell you the potential profit per unit. So every time if you spend $5 on this, and that's including all of the costs to purchase the product. Now Alibaba only says $2.70, but I like to round up a little bit higher. You're still making $6.20 per unit with a net profit margin of 31%. And anything above 30% is considered pretty darn good. So 31%, and after all of Amazon's fees, you can also see how much the fulfillment fees are, the referral fees, and the estimated monthly sales. And you can see that you could probably be churning a profit of around $7,000. If we want to be a little bit more conservative, we can bring it down and say, okay, this product is going to make us around $3,000 to $5,000 a month in profit. And then after with all of this data, you should have enough information to decide, hey, I want to move forward with this and actually start purchasing it on Alibaba and purchase the top competitor, or you can look for another product and simply just go to product ideas and find another random product idea for you to launch. And that's it. In under 20 minutes, you learned how to use the AMZScout Pro extension, and we potentially found a cool product together that you could launch. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend you subscribe to the channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. Signing out.